morning guys, what's up? It's Yukta and today I'm going to shoot this video about what I eat in a day. So first thing in the morning is a huge glass of water. I don't know, it's just me or I'm feeling very thirsty in the morning. So yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you find this video helpful in any way, and yeah, let's just get started. If you guys following me for a while, you already know that I love to have sour shot in the morning. But from last couple of days, I switched to this turmeric water. It's just turmeric with some warm water and lemon juice. And I also feel good about it. So this is my current fave. Cheers! So my aloe infused water is ready, as you can see, and I drink this throughout the day and I just refill it once it gets finished. So yeah, this is my aloe water, and I also added some basil leaves and lemon and chia seed as well. It tastes so good and it just makes the normal boring water more fun to drink, so that I can drink more water throughout my day. So yeah, this is a very good thing to convert your boring water into something really good for your body. So yeah, I also take some vitamins in the morning. These are very basic vitamins. This is for vitamin B complex and this one is for vitamin E capsules. So yeah, my vitamins for the day. So it's time for my breakfast, and most of the time I eat pancakes or oatmeal or simple milk with some nuts. But today I was craving for some savory breakfast, so I made some moong dal dosa, which are my favorite, and here they are. Yeah. Okay, so it's the lunch time, and on the regular basis I eat dal with rice or any sabzi with roti. But today I have my favorite dal, masoor ki dal with rice, and I also have lots of curd with me, which I include in my lunch every day. So I'm very grateful because my mom cooks for me, and except for 2 to 3 vegetables that I don't like, then I cook for myself, but most of the time my mom cooks for me. So yeah, I'm gonna have my lunch and meet you guys on the evening snack time. So I just got done with my workout and now it's time for my post-workout meal or snack. Okay, so this is my best meal of the day. I usually have protein shake or smoothie or pancakes sometimes, most of the times, as you all know. So today I am having some basic sprouts with paneer and just with squeeze of lemon juice, and yeah, this is my post-workout meal. preparations are finally done now, and the dinner it turns out really amazing. So let's make our wraps.